The event log serves as a comprehensive audit trail for all user and system activity within your team on LogTag Online. To access the event log, click on the drop-down menu on the top right and select Event Log. You can do this from any page on LogTag Online. Each event captures 4 key pieces of information: what, where, when, and who. What confirms the type of event that has occurred. This might be a temperature alarm from a location, or a low battery indication detected from a logger attached to a location. Where confirms the area and location involved in the event. When records the date and timestamp for when the original event occurred. Who details the staff member who took action or was involved in the event. Each event is then stored in a list, which can be viewed at any time. A notification icon is also displayed on the navigation bar at all times. This informs users when an event, such as a temperature alarm, has occurred. The notification icon will turn red and requires a member from the team to acknowledge the event in order to return to normal. This acknowledgement then gets recorded in the event log to create a comprehensive audit log for the event from start to finish.